Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you on a walking tour of the beautiful Bangpor Beach here in Koh Samui. Enjoy the video and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Here we go. From one end of the beach to the other. Beautiful views of Koh Phangan from here. White sand beach. Lots of little beach restaurants as well if you want to grab something to eat. Plenty of good options along here. Beautiful sunny weather today, even though it's getting into rainy season in Koh Samui. Another day in paradise. Please go ahead and post in the comments below. Let me know where you're watching this video from. Love to hear from you. And let me know if you're planning on making a trip to Thailand sometime soon, specifically Koh Samui, where I live. Love to show you around the island. I should have brought my bathing suit so I could get in the water, and maybe I still will anyway. That's Koh Phangan off there in the distance, the next island over. It's only about an hour and a half by boat from Koh Samui. Easy, convenient access. I don't go over there very often, I mostly just stay here in Koh Samui. But it's always there if I want to go. I'm going to take you up here to some of these restaurants and bars along the beach. You can also rent kayaks and stand-up paddle boards here as well. Actually someone's villa right there. Looks like we have some more villas for construction, under construction right here. And Bangpor is a very popular area for retirees and expats living in Samui. They've got some beautiful luxury villas around here. I'll leave a link in the description below where you can find some of those villas for sale and rent in Koh Samui. This is a really cool little restaurant right here. I forget what it's called. Highly recommend making a trip to Koh Samui when you get the chance. It's a stunning paradise. So grateful to live here. Here we've got a bar called Meta. This is the Meta Beach Bar and Restaurant. Thai, European food, beer, juice, coffee. Awesome. This place serves pizza, spaghetti, Probably beer as well. Some more little villas on the beach right here. Probably for rent. And this is actually one of my favorite restaurants in Bangkok. It's called Cherish. Really good food. Great ambiance as well. That's the Cherish restaurant here in Bangkok. Hello. Pretty much have the whole place to yourself right now. And I believe this is one of my friend's villas, which is being constructed right here in Bangkok. It's not finished yet. Still under construction, but looking good. We'll go back down to the beach. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'd really appreciate it. And you can also become a member by joining and paying a monthly subscription to support my channel. I'd really appreciate it. And again, please let me know if you're planning a trip to Koh Samui. You could fly directly in from Bangkok or Phuket, and also Chiang Mai as well. We have an international airport on the island, so it's easy to access. Flights aren't too expensive. Now I'm going to show you another restaurant right here. I think it's called Le Lagom, if I remember correctly. Here we are. Yep, Le Lagom. There's the menu. They've got cocktails, food, pretty much anything you want right here. Chill, relaxing environment. Just sit in one of these chairs and sip on a cocktail, which I might do after I record this video. And if we keep walking this way, it's really just more of the same. Bars, restaurants, beautiful beachfront. We've got a guy fishing right here. I wonder if he's catching anything. Any fish? Good? Excellent. Oh, look at that. It's actually catching some fish here. Excellent. Huh? Oh, yeah, there you go. Keep it up. He's actually catching some fish right here. Here's another little bar restaurant right here in Bangkok. Looks pretty nice. Maybe I'll stop in there for a bite to eat after this. Plenty of options to choose from. And I'm getting starving. Haven't really eaten much today. So I think I'm going to wrap up this video in the next minute. Just walk a little bit further. These are all fishing boats right here. They usually go out at night. And you can see Ang Thong National Park off there in the distance as well. It's pretty amazing for a day trip from Samui. Oh, and I've heard really good things about this restaurant as well. It's called Four Monkeys, as you can see by the sign here. So I think I'm going to stop in here for lunch. Looks really cool. I've actually never been here before, so should be nice. Check it out. Okay. Excellent. Well, this is a really cool place. Hopefully they have good food too. All right. Hello. Okay, thanks for watching this walk-in tour. Sorry. And I'm just gonna stop in for lunch at the Four Monkeys right here in Bangpore. Till next time, take care, stay safe.